Hey friends, Sincerely Sarah here with my son. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're gonna unbox the Bud Bloom Blossom Scentsy World Tour 2025 kit, I guess. This thing is chock full of good stuff. Okay, that's enough. It's filled with goodies, starting with
blood.
No, starting with our brand new catalog. This will begin on March 1st of 2025. It has a lot of really awesome stuff inside of it. This is by far my favorite. So this warmer is called Hope with a Smile. And so at $9 of every warmer, it's called Share a Smile. Every warmer will donate $9 to support childhood cancer. So I think that one is awesome. So I'm excited about that and to start selling that. So we got some new catalogs per the usual. And then we got 10 testers. These are our new scents, which maybe I'll do a video sniffing these. I have already sniffed them. I like most of them, and some were unexpected. And then we got this really, really beautiful warmer. I'll be honest, I did not think that I was gonna like it, but then once I opened it up and took it out, I'm really pretty excited about it. And so I will show you it. And so this is the dish, and then on the back side there's a little number. I don't know if you can see that. It's the number 4, and so that number represents the number of cubes. I can just show you with my new bar. So the number of cubes, so each bar, if you've never used a Scentsy bar, this is a Scentsy bar, and it comes with 8 cubes inside the bar. And so this is saying we recommend that you put 4 cubes inside of this dish. And so what that means is that that's going to be the best fragrance release that you can get. So here's the warmer. I'll go ahead and take it out because I'm going to put it up in my display in my office. So if you don't know much about Scentsy, I know that there's lots of people out there who talk about it, but if you don't know much about it, our company started with warmers and wax only. A couple of moms were like, we don't really want it, so they were chopping up pieces of candles or cubes, and they were putting them on hot plates. And so this is a warmer. This is the spot where you put the light bulb. So you screw the light bulb in. If you want to know the size of light bulb that you have, it says it on your light bulb. You cannot use, well, you could, but it wouldn't work right, light bulbs from other places. But if you need a light bulb, you need to reach out to your consultant because they can get you the correct light bulbs that work perfectly with our warmers. And so then you just put your dish on top of the warmer, you plug it in, flip the switch, and then the light will come on. The light bulb will heat the wax that's inside of here, and you'll have a beautiful glow if you have a glowing warmer. And this warmer is called Bubble Blue. So if you're looking for this one, it's called Bubble Blue. You find it in this new catalog, and I will tell you how much it is. There's so many really cute new things in here that I am just obsessed with, that I'm like, do I need all of them? So Bubble Blue is a $30 warmer. That's what it looks like with the light on. $30. It's so beautiful. It reminds me of the milk glass containers. It's very vintage looking. You can also put a different colored light bulb inside of here, and it will give it a different kind of glow. And that's one thing that I think is super awesome and unique about Scentsy. So this is a bar of wax called Island Bloom. smells really good. You want to smell this wax?
I do.
Tell me what you think. Come over here on the screen.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. What do you think it smells like?
Let's see. Let me smell it again. Kind of like around raspberry-ish.
Like Starburst, kind of? I feel like.
Raspberry-ish. Yeah, Starburst.
Like raspberry-ish.
Starburst.
Let's look and see what this
Cherry
says. It
Starburst.
says it's a tropical expedition abundant with bright star fruit and watermelon shaded by island palm. So fruity.
But it doesn't count.
That's okay.
Is there any
It says
more?
star fruit, which is kind of like a starburst.
Mom, I want to guess those.
Well, that's for another video. We can do that. Okay. Okay, and then we have 2 very new products that are coming in this new catalog. And so, very excited about this. So this is exclusive scent, but this is a larger version of our fragrance flower that we're gonna have at the end. And then I'm gonna show you. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but comes with this super big, I don't even know how long this works because it is so big. And you just simply you take this off, take the pop thing off, and then you put your flower down inside of it. And this one is really big. So this is like double the size of our normal ones, and you stick it down inside, and then this will suck up all the oil, and it will smell amazing. So I love to put these in the bathroom. This one might actually be too fragrant for our smaller bathroom. So we'll see where it ends up. I don't know. I might put it in my office because it's pretty and I like it. I don't know yet, but we will see. And so it just comes in this box here. And these are not something that you can refill because the wood can only really be used once because it will get oversaturated. But I like to take my smaller bottles of these and I like to use them as propagation for plants. So there's that. And then I have a couple more things to show you. I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes. I can't do that. Okay. So this is a very new product. When I say very new, I mean very, like, just released this month. If you want these are called Scentsy Suds. And Scentsy Suds are basically laundry sheets. They are laundry sheets. And so what you do is you take one out, depending on the size of load that you have, is what you're going to use it for. So you can either use it as a whole or you can rip it in half and use one for a smaller load. I will probably use 2 because that's just how I am, or I might even use 3. We'll see. I haven't used them yet. But if you are interested, these do not release until March 1st. However, right now you can purchase the whiff box and they include these scent suds. Isn't that pretty amazing? And then also, these are our washer whiffs, which are basically your fragrance to add. So this will add. So typically what I'll do is an unfragranced laundry soap, and then I'll add these. And so this is the scent clothesline, and it smells amazing. It smells very, very clean. And I am so excited to try this in my laundry. I have some sheets that need washed, and so I'm going to try it on those and see how it works and see what I think about it, because I do like our laundry liquid a lot. So, so that's everything that I got in my kit. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out my son's videos, he is Brantley Fun on YouTube. He's very excited that I just shouted him out. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that it made you want to run to my website, sarahford.scentsy.us or
Subscribe to my
www.scentsincerelysarah.com.
videos and hers.